everyone, my name is April with 12 by 12 Cardstock Design Team. Today I'm going to show you how I incorporate foil cardstock onto my shaker cake topper. For this video, I'm using gold foil cardstock along with red foil cardstock. Foil cardstock is one of my favorites to use. It has just the right amount of shine and is always eye-catching. Specialty paper is a fun way to make your designs pop. 12 by 12 cardstock has a whole section carved out for specialty paper, so it's not limited to just foil cardstock. There's a range of options for you to choose what fits best for your design. When it comes to creating the name and age for my toppers, the one thing I always try to do is make sure there's at least one layer of specialty paper mixed in with my matte cardstock. Because the design on this cake topper is fairly simple, I used 2 layers of specialty paper, the red foil for the text, which I glued down to the white matte offset, and then gold foil as a second offset. I really love to do a minimum of 3 to 5 layers for my text and create dimensions using foamies.